Erica here, sharing a November project. I know that gratitude is a very prominent topic this month, so this is my take on a Thankful 30. I'm starting with this Lawn Fawn mini notebook and taking out the pages, but leaving about ½ an inch of strip left because I'm learning from my past mistakes, and you can see here I have a chunky girl from 2020. So instead of adhering scrapbook paper over existing notebook paper, I'm only going to be adhering over the remnant strips. I did not keep all of the strips of the original pages of notebook, by the way, and that will also go towards reducing bulk. So I'll still be able to create my custom pages, and I'm using my red top fine line glue to adhere them. I'm trying to stay flush to the spine, but not too close, so the pages can still move freely and don't catch on anything, because I've also done that in the past. So sharing that with you as well. And I do keep all of my seasonal collections together in large 12 by 12 bags, and because they're out of sight, they're out of mind. So when I dive back in, I've renewed inspiration, which is great. And here I'm just shaving off the overhang. That's totally a personal preference, by the way. Now, my next conundrum was, how am I going to handle such a small scale project when I love to journal and I love full-size photos? Well, relatively small full-size photos. So I thought, what if I cut out windows out of my photos and then stamp the topic of the day on the index card? Adhere the index card, these are from Feed Your Craft, and then overlay the photo and attach the photo with washi tape of coordinating colors. Then this way I can kill two birds with one stone and journal as much as feels natural to me, which if you followed me, you know I love to tell stories. I love to just watch the words unfold as I create. So I'm so glad that I was able to find a good balance in this project. Now, that first page was all about memories. I love memories, especially of friends and family. Who doesn't, right? And this project will have both old photos and new photos, just because this is what gratitude looks like for me this season. The second page is all about music, and that is also near and dear to me ever since I could remember. My family is very musical. My uncle plays the guitar, and the rest of my family sings, and I just have such fond memories of spending quality time with each other, not just during the holidays, but throughout the rest of the year. And that has stayed with me throughout all of my life. So I'm very grateful for its therapeutic qualities. If you are a parent, you know that sometimes you just need to zone out with some tunes. So I will also add that this project has turned out to be really great for any scrap pieces of ephemera or pieces of ephemera that are too small for any other project that I have ever had before. So I'm really using the tiny things. The stamp set was gifted to me by Sandy. Miss Sandy, thank you so much. I am obsessed with this. I will see if I can link it below, but it's just the perfect size for this because I'm able to title each topic for each day, and it doesn't overtake my photo. It's very understated, but it's very clean, which I really love as well. And then the third page is all about homesteading. I've loved this journey of growing veggies, fruits, and herbs in our backyard, although this year we had a really wet spring, so unfortunately the bounty was not as strong as in the years past, but that's okay. I am getting a real greenhouse next year, so I am so excited for our new gardening adventures next year. No more cheapy plastic Amazon greenhouse, so yay! But that is it for this project. I hope you love this idea. I hope it strikes inspiration in you. And finally, as always, I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye!